Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Thanks for stopping by. So we got another episode here, and we are going to go in and build the handlebars up and get everything ready to put on the bike. And I just want to say that this episode is sponsored by ASV. My friend Bob Morales out at ASV Inventions in Huntington Beach, California has sponsored this by providing some just excellent levers. These things are so awesome. Unbreakable. They bend. I won't build a bike without them. Just go out to asvinventions.com. You'll see everything that he's got out there. He's got tools, he's got guards, he's got levers, anything that you want. And if it doesn't explicitly say this is for your bike, Bob will help you find what you need. Because like on this build, I'm actually going with a hydraulic clutch. It's not a standard hydraulic clutch, but it's similar to a Magura. And so what I did is I contacted Bob and said, hey, what can I find that's going to work? He comes in and says, this is going to work for what you need. And I said, well, okay. And I've done this twice now. This is going to be the second bike that I put hydraulics on. The other was a Honda XR400, and Bob said, yeah, use one of these. So we're going to use that. Again, ASV, these are the F2s. They have the C series as well that are exceptional stuff. So, but these are great because whenever you put them on, they bend like that. I'll show you on the bike, on the handlebars. They don't break, and you can adjust them here for the throw on how far out you want the levers to be from the handlebars. It's really good, well thought out stuff. It's like I always say, don't trust a skinny cook. And don't trust a man that manufactures something that they don't use on his own bike, and Bob does. If you go out and look at his Instagram, the boy's racing out there with these things. Proof in the pudding. So anyway, let's take a look at what we got. Here we go. We've got the ASVs. This is a Magura-esque hydraulic cylinder that I'm going to use for my clutch. Mounted over here. Got new grips. I actually have a new throttle tube here that I'll be using. And before we install this, I'll actually go in there and heat it up with a heat gun at very low settings so that it'll slip on very easily. And I'm going to use the old tried and true, just good old-fashioned paint inside there to lock it in place so it doesn't go anywhere. And this is the original housing that we have. And I polished it up a little bit, and I'll show you the polishing here in just a moment. And then the right side, which is the brake, and actually you can see this is not made for an MT250, but Bob went in there and found something that would work, that will absolutely work with a straight cable pull. Goes through there. It's adjustable, and it's adjustable here, and not bending and not breaking, and everything else bends out of the way. Just really good stuff. So let's get to polishing and building these bikes, these handlebars up real quick. Alright, so to start with, I think I want to start with the grip. So this is the master cylinder. I'll put some hardware on already. I'm going to put this on as well. So here, then you'll put a... There we go. See, there's a little plunger here. That this little nib goes straight on. And we'll put it on. See it? So this is on the handlebar, and you can just... And it actuates the cylinder just fine. This can come in and out depending on the distance you want it from the handlebars. So, by the way, this one is a CH2I, Charlie Horse 2 Indigo, and F2, and this is what this right here is called a knee, a KNEE, and that's the knee that you want to handle like a Magura. So. So nice. Doing this one shirt. Okay, why don't you use hard towel? Okay, turn. That's where you're going. So, through the magic of television, look! I've got some controllers. Okay, sweet. So we're gonna sit these on before we put on here these. I think the yours maybe just a little too far. So let's get this. So right here. There we go. Just a little bit extra curved. So there we go. And a little W. Just use my finger. Turn these in. Watch one. Slip the rest. Trying to take too much, just enough to snug it up. Keep it going anywhere. Make sure I side it. Okay. That's nice and close. Seems a bit wonky. I think it's might be pushing a little bit. There we go. Okay. That's good. Everything looks good. There we go. Alright, so this note. So let's look at this guy. Oh, there's my guy right here. This starts nice. Use one up. So this. So at least they fit for now. Once on the bike, I'll actually put it on specifically. So, see, there you go. Look at that. There you go. Come on. 2 fingers if you're lazy, and then if you get in an accident, boop, swivels out of the way. And that's why you buy this quality stuff. So let's tighten this. Now let's let you over here. This is floating, so this one there. Good to me? And once again, I'll be writing on those my shirts. I'll be hanging up with a big towel. So here we have the actual original housing, and I feel back to this one, especially because it works for this product too. So this goes on the top like that. This goes on the bottom like that. Nice and free. Now originally this was actually left black, but I like black. So I took a little bit of polishing up to try and match the handlebars. Fumbling out. And the used, very nice. And this is our switch for the right side. And this should be some 530s as well. That's fine. See them, just like on the ground. And go in there. A little bit extra looking. I like those guys, really do. Good stuff. Alright, again, this has a small hole. It actually goes for a magic hole down here, you see? You can't. See that? And we're going to put it right on. Get that made it up. Just a little bit, make sure we get in the right spot. And that's good. Get a couple of washers. A little bit of tight. Okay. Get low on the break out the other package. And done the engine. That's what they do now. That's alright. Tight. Little twist. Two finger size, what I call it. One side on there, one there. That one, this can go right on. Like that. This. There we go. This is it. It's done. Yeah. I'll just keep it off, huh? I don't want to say it now because I'm using it on right here. look at that. I mean, that's all built. You got Hexables, got the nice regular cap, quick adjusters, and this loosen that, just throw. Light stuff. I'm not going to put this on the left side right now. I mean, it went around and down and everything, so I'm going to get it on. So I'm just going to put it on dry now. All right, there we have them. Got our nice little connectors. All of this is going to go into the housing for the headlight to connect everything up. All of these wires are going to be hidden underneath the handlebars, and they're silver, so it matches nice. Got my hydraulic clutch. I've got my nice pull levers here from ASV, and I'll tell you, those guys, seriously, go look, asvinventions.com. Exceptional products, and I won't have a bike without them, and I highly recommend them. So Joe, take a look, tell Bob I sent you. All right, there's just one more little update we need to make to these handlebars. So I put on these grips that I got from some other country, and I sat there and I was manipulating them and everything, and they literally smell. They reek. They're just cheap plastic ones. And I said, you know what? No, I ain't doing that. So I got online to asvinventions.com and I got me some ODI grips. These are really nice. They're version 2. There's a lock on. You don't have to spray. You don't have to do anything. So I'm going to cut these off, take these old grips off, throw them away, and we're going to put on some good ones. So let's do that. Oh, and it wouldn't be complete without my smoker Santa. So we're going to let Santa have a little smoky. There you go. Smells a lot better than these grips, that's for sure. Just touch them. Oh, they reek. Nasty. Ooh, pardon me. Icky poo. And it'll give me a little chance to tighten these up. Make sure that they're in the right place. Let's do that real quick. Yeah, you can always so. Like this. So I'm going to look at that. Okay, make sure their face right. So, I don't know right here, so you can't see. So, let's see. All right. And so we get this in here. Okay. It should be square on. This one should go just right. So let's try this one. And it goes right there. And look at that. So let's get that one in. So that would be. So it's right there. Sorry, that's okay. So, goodbye, Sneaky. That was me. Alright, so it goes like that. This goes like this. This goes here. And this goes right there. That's what I just starting. There. Much better. Alright. We're going to call this one done. Again, thanks to Bob Morales over at ASV Inventions in Huntington Beach, California for these amazing levers. Really do enjoy them. They're nice. And we're going to work on the next one, which is going to be the engine. So look for that one coming up. Thanks for stopping by.